Hello everyone, this is the part 7 of our leg rigging tutorial in Blender 4.5. So in this part we are going to build a soft IK system to avoid the kneel pop-ups. As you can see, this kind of situation. So let's start. Let's click this IK bone, and in the bone panels section, in the inverse kinematics, let's add a small IK stretch 0.001. Let's do the same thing in the right leg, 0.001, and we also let's lock the IK X and Y axis. Same in the left, X and Y lock. So let's, as you can see, we have a stretch, but the IK, but the legs don't stretching. So what we need is click the IK. We need to add copy scale, and let's do the same thing in the right leg, add copy scale. But as you can see, while we stretching, the legs are failing. So what we can do is to add another copy scale constraint in this section. Click the IK heel and click the deformation heel. Shift Ctrl C, copy scale. Let's and the problem fix it. Very nice. Let's do the same thing in the right leg. Very nice. Now let's continue. Now we need to add a stretching bone, which will start from the upper leg and down here. Let's go into the edit mode, click this head and Shift S, cursor to select it, add a new bone. So this will not deform. Okay. And now we need to send this upper tail down to this lower leg down part. Cursor to select it and selection to offset. Very nice. Let's scale a little bit. Okay. This will be our IK soft stretch total, and it's going to parent it in this spine bone. Okay. So we also need a bow. Let me go into the octahedral to see everything is fine. Yeah, it's the correct direction. We also need to add a new bone here. Okay. So back to the bone. So let's clear parent. Okay. This bone is to just hold the stretching bone. Okay, and this will be parented to the IK hill. So so this will copy the location on, not just a minute please. Okay, let's connect these bones again. Yeah, I want to see something. Yes, this will be, yeah, as I said, this will be parent to the IK hill. Okay, now this will be as, let me check. This will stretch, yeah, very nice. And also, this, as I said, this will be the stretching holder. Let's name it IK stretch ball .l. It should be the, no, uncheck the default, yeah. So as you can see, and it's also, now this IK soft stretch bone should also copy the location. Give me a second. Let me check. I have a, yeah, that's the correct approach. And we must also add a limit scale into the stretching bone in the Y and local space. The Y will be 0.05. You can see. missing. Yeah, basically that was our soft IK system, but it's not stable. It's no. Let me check. I have a copy of this. Oh, yeah, it's understandable. Okay. We haven't finished it. The final part is to switch this IK target. So instead of the IK hill being the main driver, this IK stretch ball will take the control of the IK setup. No. Let's also, it's strange, I'm missing something. Oh. It's the parenting, not the parenting, it's absolutely correct. So let's also add, no, that's not good. Swing. So let me parent to the upper leg. Let's see. Let's see the difference. No. Oops. let's also add the ball for the IK. Let's see which direction. IK ball dot L. Let's parent the IK to this IK ball to the foot controller, and the right IK ball to the right foot controller. Okay. Let's add to the ball target. Okay. Same thing in the right leg. We didn't name it. A slight roll. That's all. Very nice. We have finished our soft IK system, but for an unexpected reason, let's say when I reset the location, I have to double press the reset location. It's not a big issue, but it should happen. Let's also create a new collection for our soft IK. Okay, system, and let's move into that layer. So I think this was for today. Maybe this need to be in world spec. No chance. Okay. So I think that was for today. In this part 7 we learned how to create a soft IK for the legs. So in part 8 I will likely do a two intersection system for the bones. So, but this part was important. So that was for today. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment below. These are important things for me, and have a nice day. Bye.